Okay, before we get into our tour of LeadBarrel, I just want to let you know we're still doing our $1 7-day trial. And for anybody who takes a $1 trial and becomes an upgraded LeadBarrel user today, we're going to do a setup for you. We're going to help you build out your first capture page, help you come up with the lead magnet, help you make a page that's very likely to convert. We're going to help you with your drip email sequence, write out your first few emails so people are replying to them and getting excited about what you have to sell, whatever your offer might be. And finally, we're going to help you generate a Facebook ad to use to get visitors to your page. Now, if Facebook ads don't work for your business, we can help you with a solo ad or another traffic source, but in most cases, we'll be helping you run a Facebook ad to your page, and you're going to get all that for $1, just sort of a bribe to get you using LeadBarrel. It's a lot of stuff. We're going to do a lot of work up front because we want you to stay with us long term. We really believe in what we have here for you in terms of a tool that you can use to help grow your business. So let me explain what's going on. So let's go to the Capture Pages tab. We'll take a look now at the Capture Page Builder. Let me click that right here. You'll see it's very easy to build a page out. You can choose your backgrounds, your container settings, design your own pages very easily. Test the page, click Page Background. We have a library of images you can choose from, or you can pick solid colors for your backgrounds, or you can upload your own images anytime you want. Let's grab just a nice scenic Thomas Kincaid kind of thing here. All right. And then let's go to our container. We can change the size of our opt-in box, like so. This, I can gradient the colors. See how it turns black and now fades back down to a gray. I can go to my headline, quickly change the headline. Free weekly lead generation tips. Okay, say we were doing something like that. Change my size. Very cool. I can also do some surveying and checkbox stuff. I'll probably show you some of that in a minute, but you get the idea. Everything's drag and drop, and your page is pretty much ready to go immediately. If I go back here to my landing pages, you'll see that that page we just created is now here under test pages. Test page. I can click on my link, and I have a bunch of links to use. We've built in some marketing-friendly links that will induce click-through if you're using these with Facebook ads and other traffic sources. And I can click, and there's my page in a new screen, kind of just hanging out there waiting for me. It's incomplete, but you'll see how quick and easy that was to get a page live on the internet. It just takes a few minutes. Other things you can do here, you can survey, you can chain pages together. Really cool stuff, some advanced geeky stuff. And I want to show you just real quickly what I mean by that. Let's look at a funnel we built for LeadBarrel to give away a free account. Free LeadBarrel Kick the Tires account. What we're actually doing here is we're doing a survey up front, right? Before we get started, quick question, how big is your email database? There's some psychology going on here, some marketing stuff going on where we don't go for the email right away. We get them to choose how many contacts they have, they hit continue, they go through to this next page here. My monitor's a little big, it stretched it out. Which best describes you. We get a little more data about what the person's up to, and then they come in, and then finally, once they've taken multiple actions, there's a little bit of consistency, commitment going on here. They're moving down the path. We get a very high rate of people willing to take the free trial here. And you can do all of this within LeadBarrel. You can chain pages together. You can do those check boxes, and you can even tag people based on the checkbox for later follow-up. So if I go to my Manage Leads screen right here, we'll see that I have some tags now built in. Example, and I can quickly see everybody who is, I was tagging them 0, 1, how many leads they had. So here's all the people with 500 leads or more. I don't think it'll be a lot, but there's a handful of people who said they had a database of 500 or more. Here's the people who were picking 100 to, let me get my filters out here. There we go. These people picked 1 to 500 leads, so I know they're a little more serious or not, not serious. Here are the people who picked that they're an affiliate marketer on the second step page. I think you get the idea. And here are the people who picked they were a salesperson. This didn't get a lot of traffic run through it, but here we go. And people were checking off salesperson right here on this particular funnel. So I can go back later. I can send blast emails to all of my tags, so everybody who says they had a big email list, I can quickly send a blast promotion to. Anybody who says they were an affiliate marketer or salesperson. I can quickly set up drip emails, drip email campaigns. Everything is quick and easy to do. It happens from one campaign. Let's see here. If I wanted to duplicate this and send the same thing every week, it's very easy. If I wanted to add a new drip, I can simply hit Add New. type my email, send day, and I keep going. Everything is very fast, very easy to use. So basically, you can create as many, with any of the accounts, you can create as many lead capture pages as you want. You can also, and I forgot to mention, you can browse and copy from our Vine, which is where people go and they share existing pages. Now we have a lot of real estate pages in here. Happens to be that my other business is in the real estate space, so we've built a lot of templates for real estate. But there are a lot of other pages you could just come and kind of copy the design and then go ahead and start using right away. Edit to your heart's desire. Big time-saving tip. Or if you happen to be a guru, or you have a membership site or something, and you want your users or your team, if you're in an MLM or network marketing company, to use your page, we also you can also do that. You can give them a private share code, share your pages privately, and people can grab their pages into their account right away. So you'll see below there you have your options. You can get started for, here's my page. You can get started for $1 for 7 days on any of our accounts. Don't forget, we have a high volume preferred partner account if you need to send more, if you need more users, contacts in your database, or you have a need to give accounts to a lot of different people. We're willing to talk to you. And that's about it. $1 today. We'll set up your first page, make sure it's got good copy, you know, it's sound, it's highly likely to convert. We'll help you write out your first few emails so people are conversating with you and replying and getting to know your business. And we'll set up that first Facebook ad, or if Facebook's not appropriate, another traffic source. And all of that you're going to get just for getting started by clicking one of the buttons below for $1 today. Another note, if you're looking at this page on mobile, you may need to scroll in the pricing chart below to see the different options. I just realized that the other day. So go ahead, start a $1 trial now. We're going to help you get started, and you're going to get your hands on LeadBarrel, which is a really fun, we think, tool. We're using it for all of our stuff internally, and I'll just go ahead and say we dropped another very major provider that does a lot of cool marketing automation stuff, and we started getting high on our own supply, so to speak, here in a number of our businesses, and LeadBarrel is working great. We couldn't be happier using it ourselves, and feel very good about recommending you go ahead and click and do a $1 trial to one of our plans below right now. Okay, thanks a lot.